Once upon a time, there was a man with a plan to hijack a train to pay off the mobster who lent him the money to hijack the train. Now, the plan has gone off the rails. And the only way to settle the debt is to arrange a marriage of inconvenience between his own unwilling son and the mobster's unpleasant sister. From the acclaimed director of Time of the Gypsies and Underground comes an outrageous comedy of life, death, and everything else in between. Black cat, white cat. Meow!
Art Dodge is in trouble.
I am Art Dodge from Arts Gallery on Lincoln Road, and I have the painting Mr. Paletto bought last week.
You want me to believe my dad bought that?
Last Monday.
You're a son of a bitch.
This time, he's taken things too far.
You know the happiest day of my life?
What?
The day we got divorced. Ow!
He's got a dangerous man on the lookout for him. And he's chosen the worst possible way to escape.
I'm Betty Kerner.
Art Dodge.
It's really nice to meet you, Art.
Same here, Betty.
He's been trapped into marriage
A match made in heaven.
just when he was about to meet the woman of his life.
Boom! Boom! Guess what I'm thinking?
Can you guess what I'm thinking?
So what's the problem? I'm gonna get married
It's about time.
to her sister.
He has no choice but to become two.
Is Mr. Dodge in? You're looking for my brother too? If you see him before I do, please tell him I am in town.
He's got the necessary reflexes,
Twins?
Absolutely identical, yeah.
and he's used to pretending.
Art? My name is Bart. Bart, this is not a game. This is crucial.
He knows how to maintain a balance and to remain calm.
Oh la la, monsieur. Monsieur, that is Chateau Fontagnac.
And he's prepared to do anything.
Nice to see you again, monsieur.
What he still doesn't know
Where are you going?
is how he's going to get out of this mess.
Space, boss.
Who says?
You did, boss. You did.
No.
Too much.
You gotta help.
I can't. I'm in.
With Melanie Griffith,
Arriba.
Antonio Banderas, Daryl Hannah, and Danny Aiello. Too much. Directed by Fernando Trueba.
Cheer up, dear boy. It's a wedding, not an execution.
Too much. Coming soon to a theater near you.
John, it's your dad's old ham radio. Let's go over to the den, huh? Plug it in.
W2QYV.
This is Frank Sullivan.
Hello? What'd you say your name was?
Frank Sullivan.
Is this some kind of joke?
John Sullivan has just made contact with his father,
John, tell me I'm not dreaming here.
who's been dead for 30 years.
But how could it be? I don't know. But we gotta be talking off the mother-son spot of all time. I've missed you so much. Well, tell me about yourself. Tell me about your life. I'm a cop. You're third-generation firefighter. Come on, I thought you were gonna grow out of that cop phase.
What's going on, Sax?
Frank says that he's talking to Johnny on the radio in the future.
Now, hey, little chief, there's somebody I want you to talk to.
Good night, John.
Good night there, chief. Hello? Oh, my God. Something's wrong. Something we did changed the past. something happened to Mom. Your mother what? No, she was murdered. We gotta do something and try to stop this guy. I may not know who he is, but I know where he's gonna be and what he's gonna do before he gets there. Do I call the police? They're not gonna believe me.
You gotta give me something I can believe.
We've got to catch him in the act, and you can make that happen, Dad. I'm not a cop. I'm a firefighter. We can do it together. What's going on? Yeah, you still there?
Organiser nous-mêmes un faux train de déportation.
On ne peut pas faire disparaître des villages entiers sans que personne ne s'en aperçoive. On ne va quand même pas croire un fou, non?
On serait les déportés et les Allemands.
On va l'acheter chez le marchand, wagon par wagon, et on va le mettre sur le rail.
Qui veut être nazi? Je veux dire allemand.
Rabbi, moi, je suis prêt.
Vous situez un peu la Palestine, ce n'est pas la porte à côté.
Elle fera le tour du monde, Rabbi, je vous le dis.
C'est bon, Michael! Partons!
On se déporte nous-mêmes. Il n'y a pas pire comme bêtise. Qu'il nous déporte, d'accord, mais qu'il se fatigue.
La seule chose que je vous demande pour parler parfaitement allemand et perdre complètement l'accent yiddish, c'est d'enlever l'humour.
Ce n'est pas allemand qui veut, c'est allemand celui qui le mérite, celui qui a fait des efforts pour le devenir.
Je voulais être rabbin, mais la place était prise. Comme il manquait un fou, je me suis dit soit le fou, sinon c'est eux qui vont devenir.
Je ne sais pas si les Allemands de confession israélite doivent être considérés comme des nazis ou comme des juifs.
Génial, quelle idée. Celle-là, c'en est une. Chambre, tu finiras riche. Comment tu t'appelles?
Mon Rothschild?
Retenez ce nom.
I've got something for you. It's for love, not luck. Mom, because you dance like an angel. Excuse me, are you Sarah Johnson?
Your mother's been involved in an automobile accident.
Hey, you dance? I used to.
Guess it was pretty tough. Leaving all your friends, having to say all those goodbyes.
Cool outfit. Slamming outfit. Oh. Sarah, how you get your legs to twist like that? I used to dance.
You used to dance.
It's really not a big deal.
I think it is.
You should hit steps with us tomorrow night.
Steps ain't no square dance.
It's all right, I dance in circles, probably around you. Oh!
Hoochie mama! Put your hands up!
Seems like they're letting anybody in. Quit it, Nikki. I ain't walking on eggshells just because you brought the Brady Bunch to the Negro Club.
I'm supposed to be dizzy by now, remember? All those circles you danced around me?
Oh, sorry.
What's she doing? Two-stepping?
Maybe you want to hook up sometime? Work on your moves?
Yeah, sure. If you want.
Make that sound with me. Make that sound. Wait, you sitting down for tea or something like that? Just slouch a little bit, slouch. You act like you don't know who you are no more, Derek.
I don't get you two. I mean, come on, Malachi's scary.
You don't have to understand. He's my friend, Sarah.
I called Juilliard for an application. They're holding auditions next month.
Then let's get ready then. Let's see some SCX in those HIPs, all right?
I used to practice 3 or 4 hours a day. Never gonna be ready in time.
What do you want? Do you want Juilliard?
What I want is to wake up and see my mom again. It was my stupid dream, and all she wanted was for it to come true.
And I bet she still wanted to come true. You can do this. It's how you were born to do it. Now show me some attitude.
Now I'm cool enough.
You're almost there.
Do you love me, Jerry?
I adore you, sweetheart.
Then tell me it again.
Baby, I've already told you 3 times.
Just one time, please.
Sam was hoping to start her new life with Jerry. but there's been a sudden change in plans.
You get the flight to Mexico. You pick up a pistol, bring the gun back to me.
I was under the impression that the last job was my last job.
This job, your last job.
If you get on that plane, you will never, ever see me again.
If I don't go, I'm dead.
I.
Come on, baby.
She's off to Vegas. He's off to Mexico. Now,
this is Mexican.
His pursuit of a priceless legend.
It's cursed, that gun. You don't even want to know what this gun is worth.
Is about to catch up.
Where's your car?
With her.
Can you stop the car? Truck! What do you want?
He who controls the girl controls the pistol.
I am a hostage?
Oh, no!
DreamWorks Pictures presents.
He brings me the pistol, I give you to him.
This is so Jerry.
Hey, buddy. Is that your ball?
Julia Roberts.
Don't you listen? We broke up.
She has complaints. I don't have complaints, but she has complaints.
Exactly!
Brad Pitt.
I need a lift in your El Trucco to the next towno.
James Gandolfini.
Don't you love him?
Are you taking his side?
And if a person's a considerate lover, he can't be all selfish, right?
You know, you're a very sensitive person for a cold-blooded killer.
You don't know me.
It's a muy important call.
Do you have any idea what I have been through these last few days?
Whatever you've been through, multiply it by 1,000 times, you'll have some vague conception of where I'm at.
It's all a competition. Tit for tat, tat for tit. Where?
Stop yelling!
You got a very special woman here, Jerry. But we all know how you can get, right?
What?
It's about the things we do for love.
When two people really love each other, but they just can't get it together, when do you get to that point where enough is enough?
And the things it does back.
When do you get to that point of enough is enough?
The Mexican.
Play.
Born into wealth.
The future is yours now, Lara. The all-seeing eye.
Groomed by the elite.
Have you ever heard of the Clock of Ages?
It gives its possessor power of the people of the light.
And trained for combat.
We can be partners.
You might try to kill me.
I'm not going to kill you.
I said you'd try.
Angelina Jolie. Is Lara Croft.
Time to save the universe?
Absolutely.
Tomb Raider. In theaters everywhere. June 15th. Remember me? Read my mind. Who delivers 10 times out of 10? Who's the cat that won't cop out? Cherry Ray. I might take you down, but I'll never let you down. Now, what's my name?
Shaft!
You're damn right.
Oh,
You are gone from this precinct. For what? That?
What is wrong with you?
I'm out. I'm done. I'll get in my own way.
In a system where money can buy you freedom.
What about the waitress?
The waitress. She saw it, huh? So what you do? Threaten her?
The next day, I just started running. I've been running ever since.
In a city where fear can buy you power.
I need someone located.
That's gonna cost you.
Only one man will stand up for justice.
You ain't even a pig no more. You think that makes me less dangerous or more dangerous?
You're too hot, man. You gotta step off a bit.
Got milk?
Yeah, I got the milk.
John Shaft. Right on. His ass is mine.
You know, something happens to her, I'm gonna come after you myself.
You won't have to. Something happens to her, it happens to me. Go! Any questions?
Can you dig it?
The Nutty Professor is back.
Club in charge.
Pound for pound, this big lug's the greatest scientist on the planet. And let's be honest, pound for pound, he is a planet. And he's brought the whole family back for seconds.
Get away from that.
Boys will be boys.
The only thing that's permanent is family. Ain't that right, Daddy? Get your ass out there, chick.
And when the Klumps get together,
You look just like Billy D. Billy D. Billy D. Billy D. Billy D. Club.
there's always plenty of love.
Buddy love.
See you later, chunky butt.
To go around.
This must be your lucky night. Oh, I feel so vulnerable.
Universal Pictures and Imagine Entertainment present Eddie Murphy. Nutty Professor 2, The Klumps.
Oh, this is something scary.